Today we are working on Suzuki WagonR for annual service. Removing old engine oil. Removing the old coolant. Old and new filters, oil filter, cabin AC filter and air filter. Replacing new oil filter. Replacing new engine oil, fully synthetic 530. Replacing new coolant. Old and new spark plugs. Replacing spark plugs. Old and new brake pads. Replaced new brake pads. Adding the brake oil. Customer complaint low AC, refilling the new AC gas. Replacing new cabin AC filter. Finally, we are finishing with AC disinfectant, and we are doing this as a complimentary.